Security mechanism. Introduction to security mechanism. What is meant by security mechanism? A security mechanism which will have a security attack, security services, and then security mechanism. After that, how the security has been protection has been occurred. So, what is meant by security mechanism? Security mechanism is a method or process or technology used to detect, protect, or recover from security attacks. So this is known as security mechanism. While security services will describe what protection is required, while mechanism will mainly describe about the how the protection has been implemented in the system, that is known as security mechanism. Examples of security mechanism is what encryption, how digital signatures has been occurred, authentication exchanges has been how it will be exchange the authentication processes, then access control mechanism, then integrity check. Now, classification of security mechanism. We have two types of classification of security mechanism. One is preservative security mechanism, another one is specific mechanism. That is preservative security mechanism is nothing but it has only, that means it has a single protocol layer but does not have any limited protocol layer, so it supports security throughout the system. So that is known as pervasive security mechanism, while specific mechanism which has only it has a limited protocol layer, in that it has encipherment, digital signature, access control, integrity, all has been occurred. So next, what is meant by encryption mechanism? Encryption mechanism is nothing but it will transform the readable plain text into ciphertext using a cryptographic algorithm that can be comes under an encryption mechanism. The main objective is to prevent the unauthorized parties from understanding the protected information, is known as encryption mechanism. So next, digital signature mechanism, which has in digital signature, the main mechanism what will be used means it will be used in digital signature. It mainly used to provide the evidence about the origin and integrity of the digital information. That is, the overall the signer has created a signature using a private signing key. It verifies using the corresponding public key to check whether the signature is valid or invalid. If signed signature has been modified now, the signature verification should fail. If not modified, the signature will be successful. So that is digital signature. Then access control and authentication exchange is nothing but we are familiar in access control. That means what are all the resources or operation has been we can able to the user can able to use in the system. The system will permit only some set of resources and operation has been permitted. Some of them it will be won't give the permission to access the information, that will come under access control mechanism. Authentication exchange is nothing but while if we are transferring the information from sender to receiver na, we are exchanging the some data means it will definitely check the authentication. That means it will verify the user whether the right user using the data or unauthorized user are using the data. It will be verify. After then only it will able to access and exchange the authentications. Then data integrity mechanism is nothing but in this it will help the whether the information has been changed without authorization. That means if authorization person has in that means in data integrity mechanism the information has been changed without authorization na, if whoever the authorized person, that person's does not know about the information has been changed or not, that can be checked under data integrity mechanism. So they want to protect against modification, insertion, deletion and replay condition depending on the protocol. So it mainly integrity mechanism, it's mainly important for transaction, network messages, files and software updates. Then other specific security mechanism also included traffic padding, routing control and notarization. Traffic padding is nothing but If you are adding additional data, that will comes under traffic, that means to reduce the information based on the communication pattern. Routing control, it will only allows the selection and control of communication based on the security purpose, while notarization is nothing but only just the third party can provide the assurance about the communication or transaction, so that we can able to use the notarization mechanism. Thank you.